Did you forget your TikTok password, or is TikTok showing incorrect account or password on your iPhone? No need to stress out. In this video, I'll walk you through simple steps to fix the issue and get you back into your account in no time. Let's dive right in. Before you begin, make sure to do a quick check. Ensure you have a reliable internet connection on your iPhone. Double check that you're using the correct email address or phone number. Solution 1. Solution 1. Forgot password. First, launch the TikTok app. Then tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right of the screen. After that, select your preferred login method. I'm choosing the first option. Use phone/email/username. Then tap on email/username at the top. Now type in your username, then tap continue. After that, tap on forgot password. Now choose the method to reset your password. I'll pick phone for this example. Enter your phone number, including your country code. Then tap continue. TikTok will call you with a verification code. Enter that code here. Now create a new password. Solution 2. Clear app cache. First, open your iPhone settings. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now scroll down and look for the TikTok app. If you can't find TikTok here, tap on Show All. Next, tap on TikTok. Then tap Offload App. Tap Offload again to confirm. After that, tap Reinstall to reinstall the app. Now open TikTok app and try logging in again. If you're still facing the issue, move on to the next solution. Solution 3. Reset network settings. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap on General. Scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap on Reset. Now tap Reset Network Settings. Then enter your iPhone's passcode if prompted. Tap Reset Network Settings again to confirm. Once the network settings are reset, check if the issue is fixed. I hope that helped fix the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.